Hey guys, I am back with the follow-up to my tutorial of how I accomplish my Bentonite clay mix, and I'm going to show you how I apply this Bentonite clay mix to my hair. So, Bentonite clay is a natural mud that is derived from the earth. It is derived from volcanic ash. Because it is naturally derived and it is mined from the earth, it has very great benefits for your hair and your skin because it is filled with minerals that your hair and your skin do not get from a lot of cosmetic products that are manufactured in a factory. For me, I use Bentonite clay as a cleanser. I love clay washes. I find that they do a very good job while gently cleaning. And the reason why they are a great cleanser is because they are absorbent. They detoxify, they pull out all of the impurities from your hair. And the reason that this happens is because clay is negatively charged when it is mixed with water or with apple cider vinegar. And so it pulls out the impurities which are positively charged from your hair. So that's just a very simple explanation. And so it does an excellent job of removing product buildup even if you've been washing your hair and you've not done a thorough cleanse. Instead of using a clarifying cleanser, you can probably use a clay to fully detoxify your hair while being gentle on your strands. It also infuses your hair with sheen because, like I said, it has great minerals from the earth and great nutrients for your hair all around. And one other thing that we've observed that clay does is that clay defines your hair. The weight of the product itself elongates and it defines your hair, so your curls be popping when you use clay. So my favorite clay is actually Rasool clay, but you can find it less than Bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is more commercially known and you can find it easier, so I also recommend Bentonite clay. Rasool clay is just slightly more moisturizing, but they both do an excellent job. Generally, I use Bentonite clay about twice a month. As long as I have the time, I would prefer to use Bentonite clay actually. Just a few tips for you guys because I always happen to find myself in this problem. When using Bentonite clay, the washing is important. So here is my top tip for you guys. When you are washing out Bentonite clay that has been allowed to dry, please use warm water. Because if you don't, you sometimes think that you have fully washed out your hair, and that is not the case. Some people don't use a deep conditioner after, but I do. What I would probably recommend is that if your hair is prone to dryness, you may probably want to use a moisturizing deep conditioner after using Bentonite clay. You can style as usual, and these are all my tips for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Also, let me know which clay is your favorite to use, if you use any. And if you don't use clay, let me know why. So get into the video, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video. Don't forget to share the video with a friend. I find you guys are slacking on the sharing and the subscribing. I'm watching you. And leave your comments down below. Of course, subscribe so that we can be in touch. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
one.